In sports, Austin Odhiambo and Ben Sonomala were each on target as the national under-23 football team, Emerging Stars, secured a 2-0 win over Zimbabwe in the COSAFA Cup in South Africa. This was Kenya's second win in that competition.
Benson Ochieng. Ochieng is through on goal. That's number 2 for Kenya. That's the goal that might send them through to the COSAFA Cup semi-finals for the very first time in their history. It is a massive goal, one that started all the way back in the hands of Omondi.
We had a very difficult first half because of the wind. The wind was going against us, so we were finding it tough to pass the through balls to our striker. Then coming into second half, we knew the wind is going on our side, so we had to push so that we can get the 2 goals.
I think, first of all, let me commend my boys. They did a good job. Despite the condition, it was too windy. It was not easy to play football. And then the other thing was the first half, we knew, like, if you can contain them, because of this side, the wind was blowing a lot. So we knew in the second half, we'll hit them because they were not very good in defending high balls. So that is, we got capitalized on that one. We were hitting the high balls and then coming for the second ball, and then we punished them.
Well done and all the best to the boys. Ferdinand Omanyala's coach